2021 Acura TLX Tech package. This front clip being picked up in person by a customer. So it's sitting on a skid. If you check our descriptions or other videos, you'll see they're all wrapped up, presented, and done the same way. Clean front end. Both headlights, radiator, condenser, fans, airbox, fuse box, wire harness. It's all in there. If you're looking for parts for a late model vehicle, let me know. 800-222-2528. My direct extension here is 112. My name's Jared. We've got others like this one. As you can see, we leave behind quite a bit, so you don't have to struggle. Any questions? Email me, direct message, Instagram, Facebook, you know the drill. Just let me know.